Hello guys, welcome back. For today's video, we are going to touch on a very important widget, which is a list view. And to explain to you how does a list view work, we are going to give the column example again, and then I'm going to see what's the problem with the column, then we're going to use a list view. Okay, before we do that, let me do what? Let me erase this, write it again, so just to make you practice. Just for a little bit. You know, the first thing you have to do is import Flutter material package. Then you're going to write void main. Okay. And in here, you're going to write run app. You close it with a semicolon. Inside of a run app, we're going to give material design app, and for material design app we are going to provide the home. Inside of the home, we're going to give the widget we want to use. We're going to use a center widget to make things easy for us, and inside of a center widget we're going to give a child of this particular widget, and the child is going to be a column for now. And inside of a column we're going to provide children, and for the children let us give text widgets. And as you can see, sometimes I write new and sometimes I don't write new. It's not compulsory to write new, so to make things easy I'll just remove the news, so I don't want you guys to get complicated. Okay, in here I'm going to write 1, comma, I'll copy this, let me paste it couple times and run. You see we have 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, but let's see what's going to happen if we just have these ones with no limit. Okay, let's try to run the app, and you have this kind of error usually appears when the height of the content is greater than the height of the screen, or the width of the content is greater than the width of the screen, and the column is not a scrollable widget. So to overcome these, instead of using columns to have things in vertical, ordered in a vertical way like this, we use a list view. List view, and just run this again and see the magic. Kaboomba! Just like that, you can now scroll. You see, so if you want to have scrollable widgets, you can just make use of list views, and simple like this. And inside of this list view you can have a lot of different widgets. I'm just using text widgets because it's the simplest thing we can do and use now. Okay, but it doesn't mean that you can only use text widgets. I don't know why my hard reloading is not working, but usually when you press Ctrl or Command S, this is supposed to automatically change. I have to run the app. Maybe that's not your case. Just press Command S or Control S to reload the content of your application in here. But okay guys, this was a very quick video, and this was simple actually. And just like that, we got rid of list views. Okay, thank you for your time. See you on the next one.